Did you know these animals' name? Ladybird, spider, bee, fly, ant, butterfly, grasshopper, cockroach, dragonfly, mosquito. Do you know advanced form of these words? Beautiful, pretty, fight, conflict, win, victory, honest, upright, idiot, fool, start, begin, smart, intelligent, uncommon, rare, positions of place, at home, in London, at school, on the bus, on TV, in the car, on the left, at the door, on the way, in the world. 16, 60, 600, 6,000, 60,000, 60,100,000, 6 million, 60 million, 600 million, 6 billion. Basic English versus Advanced English. Tell, inform, check, verify, give, provide, bad, substandard, good, satisfactory, sorry, remorseful.
Stop saying very. It makes your English sounds too basic. Try this alternatives. Very noisy, deafening, very upset, distraught, very calm, serene, very ugly, hideous, very cold, freezing, very long, extensive, very lazy, indolent,